Viewers, welcome to Mura's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make something very special, very nice, very easy to make potato pancake. For that we need potato, some onion, baking powder, we need salt, flour, fresh coriander, curry powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. And of course we need a little bit of black pepper. Viewers, we're going to put our potatoes in a blender. We're going to blend them. Now we're going to add our onions. Viewers, we want it very smooth because it's going to be a pancake. You know, the butter is got to be quite smooth and lovely and fluffy as well. So now what we're going to do, they got lots of water in them because the onion got water and the potato got water. So we're going to stain them for a while until all the waters come up. Now my water is draining. Viewers, now most of my water come out from the potatoes and the onion. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take off all the excess water from there and we're going to keep the starch from the bottom. Have a look how we do that. We drain all the water, but the bottom one is the starch. This is the starch from the potatoes. So now we're going to put our mixture with the starch. We're going to put our fresh coriander. All the ingredients together we're going to put it now. We got salt, we got pepper, we got baking powder, couple of spoons of flour, curry powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and an egg to bind them all together. Now we're going to bind them all together. Viewers, we got a pan on the stove in a medium heat. We put a little bit of oil in it. Now we're going to fry our pancake. Look at my pancakes, they are cooking away. Now we're going to turn it over. Look at the beautiful color. They look delicious, aren't they? Viewers, we're going to turn it down. Let's see if it's cooked. Yes, it's done perfectly all right. You can see the beautiful color in them. So we can take it out. Let's see what happens to this one. Yeah, they are perfect. That's done. Look at the beautiful pancakes. Let's do the next batch. Viewers, Look at my potato pancake. We present it in a plate and look how delicious they look. And they look yummy and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. Yummy, delicious potato pancake. Enjoy.